Here we are again, start of a new adventure. Lake District, August 2020. You can tell by the masks that we're in COVID era. And we're at Buttermere. And first thing, we're going up there. Wow. So there's nearly 200 meters done. And I've forgotten just how long it's been since we've done something like this. We're all pretty much out of breath and my calves are burning, but it does feel good. So we're about 100 metres off the top of Robinson. We've stopped for a little break here with buttermint and a lovely huey view. Smile, guys. So we've made it to the top of Robinson. We're not alone, we've got some sheep for this evening to keep us warm, which is nice. And now we're off to go and find our respective camping sites. You can see them scoping. I think, oh, Simon's found a beautiful spot over there. Look at that. So this is Robinson. 737 metres with panoramic views. It's amazing. This is our spot for dinner, and it's not bad at all, looking over Buttermere. I've just done some yoga, and there's Andrew taking a picture of me, taking a picture of him. Hey! We've set up tent, we're filling up some water, it's all good. Well, we have awoken to an absolutely splendid view this morning. Absolutely gorgeous. It's 7:30 in the morning, and it's time to get a brew on. So this morning we're setting out. That over there is called Hinscarth, and then we've got a ridge walk which is over there, which is Little Dale Edge. And then we're going up to Dale Head, the point over there.
I'm always open to see the vulture. You've got vulture living in the Peak District now. Really? Yeah, that's fantastic. It is.
I'm sure thirsty. Apart from coffee this morning, I haven't had anything to drink. I packed a little bit light yesterday with just 2 litres, so I'm looking forward to getting down to Dale Head Tarn. So very nearly at Dale Head, and there's quite a drop-off down there. You've got Honister Pass down there, and then down to Buttermere.
How many selfies did you get? I think James has been quite reserved.
I've been quite restrained. This is the first time I've got my stick pick out.
You sort of expect the Lord of the Rings soundtrack to ring out.
You do. Now, if you're looking for a place to camp, that is immaculate. Look at this. This is Bowling Green standard. Seriously. Look at that. Here we are. That is what we are talking about. Lush. Right.
Are you guys okay to have a brew stop?
This is a little oasis. It's lush. This is incredible. I'm feeling a Timotei moment coming on here. carrying on down now to Little Town. We've just seen the magic sign at the Little Town farm. Ice creams! So Little Town farm was definitely the oasis we've been waiting for. Look at this. Good stuff. A lot of goodness. Oh, Simon! Yeah. Right, but where is the pole? You know I've got to put it on there. Replenished and refreshed yet again, we start out and head towards Braithwaite. Hey, Llama!
The ox from on you now, James. I just laughed my head off.
There are some incredible houses around here. Look at that. Stunning. It's really nice to see some tree planting down this valley here. You can see they're making an effort. We're headed up there to the waterfall and then up and over that big lump you can see there to go and find a campsite. So this is the point of the time of the day. It's about 20 past 5 and you might just seen Simon going over the top of the hill there. And Simon's actually our scout, so we send him out looking for our campsite. He's got a nose for these things, so at the end of the day Andrew and I hang around expectantly waiting for him to give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Over there we've got Grisdale Pike, and we've got the option now of camping around here somewhere or going up and over there. It's about another 125 metres up. So after some intense debate, I've decided to push up over the top of this pass and see what's up there. Wow, well, we made it to Coaldale House, and this is a lovely pass here, and it's idyllic. It really is lovely. Andrew was just down here having a little cool off earlier. Got a nice waterfall right next to us. It's beautiful. So it's Sunday morning, we've broken camp, and the weather's not so nice. It was a bit rainy in the night, a bit of drizzle this morning, but now we are descending down to Grasmere. No, not Grasmere, Buttermere. So we're nearing the end of the valley walk. We're coming down now, and I suppose if I was to look back and say what are the highlights of this trip, I'd definitely say get up to Robinson, have a camp up there, because the views are amazing. The weather's been fantastic for us, which has been so nice. We've been very, very lucky this weekend. And the other one is Little Town. The valley south of Little Town is absolutely stunning with some amazing waterfalls, and the walk there isn't too bad. Trip. And it was all going so well. This bit's a bit trickier. So we were standing there admiring this lovely plunge pool, and then I said to Simon, fancy a dip? And there we go, we're gonna go for it. Is it warm? Nice. Andrew's beating me to it. I'm gonna be the last one in as always. Whoa! There he goes. All the way in, James. Many a middle-aged woman's heart will be fluttering now. The dirt.
Oh, that's good. I'm done now.
It's like primordial man emerging from you. When you see opportunities like that, you've got to grab life by the balls and do it. Because that was invigorating. That was really, really nice. Oh, man. There we have it. Out of the wilderness now. No wonder we found it hard going on the first day up there. So blooming steep. Anyway, we had a real good time. Thanks for watching.